In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the speech-to-text tool in Google Docs. Once you have your Google document open, go to Tools, then click on Voice Typing. Mine was already open, so I closed it. This opens it again. You can see that my language is set to English. When I click on the microphone and then start to speak, it will transcribe what I am saying. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog period. You'll notice that you need to transcribe your punctuation period. Click off the microphone and it is done recording your speech. We'll also show you how you could use this for your EL students. If I have a student who speaks mostly Spanish and is just barely in the United States learning English, I can set it to recognize Spanish.
No puede ser posible. Es cierto, tu vida entera puede cambiar en un instante. En este momento estoy en la casa de mis padres. Solo veo a mis padres una vez al...
And then you can use the tools to translate this to English. So if I want this translated, I'm going to take out the English and I go to Tools, click on Translate Document, and I want it translated into English. It will create a copy of the original document and it has translated. Google Translate is not perfect, but it is a tool that we can use to try to help.